Who told you that? Which parents? We adopted them or help them or anything you want to do for them. $3,000.
Koffi, na God catch me.
My friend, they catch me.
Na God catch me. Because your firstborn na my goddaughter. And I tell you, say make you bring the girl, make I dey train her. Because say na me train the girl now, she go collect the money.
GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Introduction they different. Almost everybody for entertainment industry, their introduction in my hand. The way we are saying connect with everybody, even me say they shock. If I do a introduction here now, Kukute, who want my pay introduction? We don't come out here.
Kukute,
in 1990, Ayuba saying no go school.
No mind now.
But he toast university graduates.
And they agree.
He gave us hope.
There.
Two-Face can't pick from that thing. He said can't drop out of school. We see no even bother go school at all. This Ayuba, the inspiration way he give.
Now trendsetter.
Them Rema now and Bella's mother, all of them, they say we want to be like Ayuba.
Oh, well,
we can make it.
Ben, even without going to school.
Ayuba was the first person to redefine an ethnic music sound to make it so refined.
Ben, Ayuba was the first person that did not study hospitality and did not graduate, but he built an hotel and is running it.
Yes, now there I shoot my movie Mumbo Jumbo. Ayuba was the first person, the youngest ever Fuji crooner at the time, to give a futuristic title to Fuji music. At the time when Ayuba named it about Bubble, people don't know the meaning of bubble.
Ben,
even Ayuba mama they ask him, they were there. At the time where Ayuba burst out, for that year, only one dance, 9 days this country. You must do like this. You must carry leg like this. So, everybody the best way they do now, Ayuba 9 starter.
Ayuba na the first person when we begin wear designer t-shirts on top jeans to sing native song.
Ayuba na go beg us today say go just call am because when we start he never know. Ayuba, you see that quarto music wey they do for South Africa now where everybody come dey jump on top am wey they call am a piano. Na Ayuba first dress that dressing after Ivo Chaka Chaka for Bubble D album that cap wey una go find research.
Correct. Ayuba na the first person wey dance with 3 girls inside in video and he dance past them.
Video vixen repair am o. They refund.
They refund
Ayuba.
Wọ́n dá owó ẹ̀ padà. Ó tí wọ́n lọ nínú fídíò yẹn.
This is what they do now, eh? Man, tell them the secret. The next time when they call Ayuba come play anywhere, Ayuba go see say ẹjọ́. The pastors àti Koffi ni kò ṣe MC àwọn náà mọ oríkì.
Because àwa la mọ oríkì àmọ́ délé ni. Ayuba na the first musician wey dey dance 360 Koffi let's show them.
No, you go do hand, go up, go hand, you go up, you go come down, you go up, you go come down, you go up, till wire go carry your head.
Thank you, till wire go carry your head. Before Ayuba, everybody dey dance one direction. When Ayuba come, open the 360.
Shina Peters dance one day for show. They hear, no be joke. Shina Peters dance one day for show. When he carry ejika shift, now he change to Ayuba.
But Ayuba, if they take one leg dance, for the past 25 years, that leg never get arthritis.
As in, no, over 30 years.
Oh, my Binuja.
2022 lawa, and 2020 Oshele won't cancel it.
No proud, bro.
Over 30 years, Ayuba, ladies and gentlemen.
The only,
if there is any ethnic melodian,
oh yeah,
an Abinibi artist,
Benny,
a man who has constantly put Fuji music on the global map,
and who is constantly drinking vampire blood
without any scandal,
mi mọ̀ ń pa yẹn nítorí àwọn àṣírí kan wà lọ́wọ́ mi.
without any controversy,
èmi náà mọ àwọn kan tá a gbọdọ̀ sọ.
without any hulabalu,
àwọn secrets kan wà lọ́wọ́ mi.
without any shenanigans.
a gbọdọ̀ sọ síta.
secret tó wọ̀n yẹn nù fíìmù lẹ ti ṣe.
èmi nìkan ni mo mọ̀ ń pa yẹn.
Ladies and gentlemen,
ọkọ Ayuba ẹ̀rọ ti room 101 o.
Please, I need all of you to make welcome. As our first dancer for the afternoon will be coming forward as well. Auntie Bosse, Ayuba máa ń kọ́ ṣeré fún. Welcome the Bosue Fuji King. He is now Professor, Doctor, Pastor, King Adewale Ayuba.
Hey! The finest of them all. Oh God.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.